Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, what is inside the hard drive, or what is inside the hard disk? Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, just open. Okay, unscrew, and we will see what is inside the hard drive. Okay. Okay. Need the small one. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the inside of the hard drive. Okay, so guys, this is the head. It's the one in charge to read. Okay, what is the data, or what are the application saved in this hard drive. Okay, so this is the head. Okay, and also this is the powerful magnet. Okay, so this is the powerful magnet. So let's see, this powerful. Okay, see, this is a powerful magnet. Powerful, very powerful magnet. Okay, very powerful magnet. See again. See that? This is a very powerful magnet. So this is usable. You can use this magnet. Okay, you can use this magnet anywhere you want. Okay, but as I said, this is a powerful magnet. Okay, okay, powerful magnet. And another thing. Okay guys, this is the disc. Okay, usually this has a damage. Okay, sometimes it will be damaged if you will not properly shut down your computer. So this will be damaged, or sometimes during the brownout. Okay, the power failure. Okay, so the disk will be damaged. So be careful guys. So if you are using computer, better to use UPS. Okay, so in times of brownout, so you can properly shut down your computer. Okay, so this is very sensitive. Okay, so that's the inside of the hard drive. Okay guys, so this one you can use this okay, you can use that in. Okay guys, so this is, you can, okay, what can we do with this hard drive? Okay, this called hard drive. Okay guys, I will show you one. Okay, so remove all the okay, I'll show you. We have to remove this one. Okay, so nothing left. inside the hard drive. Okay. Guys. So, as I said, guys, this is the head, or the one who read the message stored in the disk, okay, or the application. Okay, so nothing left inside the hard drive. Nothing left. So the only